Welcome to Flowfinity Getting Started Lesson 5. Previously, we saw how operations can be used to transition records into different states, allowing you to create custom workflows. In this video, we'll make those records easier to work with by guiding you through the concepts of pages and layouts. Pages allows you to arrange sets of fields in different sections of the same form, which will display in sequence as the user navigates the application. By organizing the information you collect and display into different pages, you can avoid overwhelming a user with too many fields per screen if your app requires a lot of data collection. Layouts enable you to control which pages and fields are visible and editable in each step of your workflow. This helps users focus on the fields that are important and only input data that is relevant to the current state of the record. Controlling data entry with layouts minimizes the potential for error in addition to improving user experience. Let's create a new page and 2 extra layouts for our Dispatch Technician app. Open the Configure tab. Click on your Dispatch Technician app and select Customize. You are then directed to the Forms tab. We'll start by setting up a new second page in our existing form. Let's make a page for customer approvals, which will appear immediately after our existing work order details page. We'll then create a picture field and a memo field. Click Add Page. In the page title field, type Order Completion Confirmation. Add a new field. To do this, click right below the Order Completion Confirmation line. Name it Repaired Item and make it a picture field. Check if the Allow Mobile User to Upload a Picture into this field checkbox is ticked. This will ensure that your field worker is able to use a Flowfinity mobile app to upload the repaired item photo on site. Optionally, you can also enable Print Timestamp on Camera Captured Image checkbox, which will track the time of the photo capture. Click Save Form. Then, click Add. Label the field as Notes. In the Type drop-down, select Memo. Save the form. Now that you've created a second page, it's time to add new layouts to make your application more user-friendly by showing only the information that is relevant during that step in filling out the form. Click Layouts. In the Layouts menu, click Add Layout. The Layout editor opens. We'll need 2 more layouts, one for a new work order and another for generating an invoice. First, give this new layout a name. We'll go with New Work Order. Next, specify the following: Display mode, maintain separate pages. Default mode, editable. Save this layout and add another one by clicking Add Layout again. Name it Invoice. In Display mode, select Combine all fields into one page. Set default modes to Visible. Save the layout. Then, click on it again and select Edit Layout. All the fields in the layout will now appear. Manually configure Repaired Item and Notes fields as editable. This is done by selecting each field in the editable column and changing the settings. You can also go to Print to adjust the look of a printable version of the layout. For this layout, we won't do anything in that tab. Click Save. Our layouts are completed, and we should now assign the appropriate states to our operations. Go to the Operations tab. Click on Assign Work Order Operation and select Edit. In Display Record in this layout, select New Work Order. Click Save. Repeat the steps for the Schedule Job operation. Next, edit the Send Invoice operation. There, in Display Record in this layout, select Invoice. Save it. Repeat the steps for the Completed operation. Click Save Operation, then Publish. Go back to the Portal tab and find your Dispatch Technician application. Add a new record. See how the application now separates the form into different pages? Now, once a technician is on site, they can go to the second page and upload a photo and client signature once the work is complete. That's it! Now your app is able to dispatch a field technician to a job site, collect some useful proof of completion from the field, and then generate an invoice for the completed work. Stay tuned, because in the next video of our curriculum, we'll help you create a new view which presents a list of records and allows you to easily sort and find records as your database of work orders grows.